parked up outside in the old school.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga, either he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body.
Hi guys. Hi, Karen. It's a girl Lindy. Welcome back to my channel. I am so tired. I am really tired. So earlier on you saw a clip of mom and we actually went to do our nails. Now put some pictures of our nails. This is what I got. I got an overlay and she got stick-ons. I got an overlay because I recently just took off the nails that I did, and I've been continuously doing my nails for the past 3 months, and my nail bed is so sensitive, so I didn't want to put on stick-ons. So that's basically a preparation for an unveiling. We have an unveiling on Sunday this weekend, so I'm gonna take you with me and I'll be preparing for it. And through the whole process of us with my cousins and my family, my extended family, and during the unveiling, hopefully get vlog because I tend to forget how to vlog. So today we went to do our nails. She has a prom November. She wants to do a cape, and then I want to collect packages. I have a small business, guys. So if you see this video, please go like my page on Facebook and Instagram. On Facebook and Instagram, it's an daughter. I sell online. It's an online store. I order anything you want me to order for you guys, but I also have my own products that I sell that will be advertised on the page, mainly shoes, women stuff like shoes. Even I have shoes for men, like sneakers. I haven't posted them, but hopefully when this video comes out I would have posted it already. Shoes, bags, yeah, shoes and bags. I think that's all. Yeah, so please go follow my page. It's N and daughter, like N hella N, the letter N and daughter, on Facebook and Instagram. Give your girl some support and some love. So I'll see you today. I'm going to undo my hair. Today I'm going to undo my hair, so I'll probably see you when I'm going to style my hair. Right now I just have to finish my reports. Like, I'm so behind with schoolwork. I have a report to be submitted on the 7th of November, and today it's like the 26th, and I'm so behind. Like, it needs a lot of thinking and information, so I'm gonna push on it. Hopefully I'll finish whatever I did yesterday and start something new today and finish it today. Let me not talk too much, but bye.
NY girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it. Let them know that
Tell me why you gotta look at me that way. You know what it does to me. So tell me what you're trying to say. Lately all I want is you won't tell them that. You know where your hands should be. So tell me what you come show me. I got you dreaming. You close your eyes and
trying on my mom's wedding dress. It's from what was that? It's from like the 2000s. She got married in what, 2001? I get it. And so this is the dress she wore in 2002. And so, oh my gosh, y'all, it killed in the 2000s. Damn, girl. But obviously you had to tie it at the back because it's like big. She thinks she's the age. Oh my gosh, she thinks she's the age. Look at. I have to start again from the top. Hey. Zing, zing, zing. Zing, zing, zing. How do you feel?
Let's go, Shoma.
Let's go. Thank my mommy. Because like like, why not? Make a no button card. Murife, don't run! Don't run, Murife, don't run!
Good morning, check out the living God. It says, in the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. And the earth was without form and void. And full adventures, always trusting a friend, Jesus Christ. And we know our lives are blessings when He shines like a beacon of light. What?
Hi guys.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
The last time I talked to you was after I got to order my nails with my mom. So you already saw the clip of me doing my hair. This is the final product. I think you're gonna see the thumbnail too. Like, it's so nice. Look. This is my final thing. Let me fix it. Because yesterday was Friday when I did my hair. Today is Saturday. And just I'm waiting for my mom because we had two programs. There was the children's program, and then there was the adults program. They were doing a Pathfinder Day. Pathfinder Day was nearly 2 weeks ago. 2 to 3 weeks ago. So they were doing it today. It was really nice. I think you've seen the clips. So we arrived the only clips that you see is of me doing my hair. I actually did some errands yesterday. I just didn't have time to vlog because so I had to like hurry up and go back home so that I can finish packing, eat, and then so I didn't even record yesterday. And you also see a clip of me wearing my mom's wedding dress. I guess we were cleaning the house. It was really dusty and it was a lot was going on. So I didn't take the clips of us cleaning. Here's my mom. So that now we're going home. Let me open the door. Yeah, so we're going home to eat. I'm really hungry. And then continue with the program because tomorrow is unveiling. So
We received power of messes.
Spent the whole night cooking. The time is like past 5 in the morning. Ah! I'm so What?
What the Tamela way now?
Oh, shy. Oh, this smell, sir. This is our perfect.
It's good like soul food.